Welcome back to Sprout's Corner. Today's vehicle of the day is the fire engine. Fire engines race to emergencies with flashing lights and loud sirens to help people as quickly as possible. They're packed with amazing equipment like long ladders, powerful water pumps, hoses, and special tools for rescuing people and putting out fires. Did you know some fire engine ladders can reach over 30 meters into the air? That's as tall as a 10-story building. What's your favorite emergency vehicle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.